If you've ever wondered how to see your Epic Games email on Nintendo Switch, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and safest way to check the email linked to your Epic Games account using your Nintendo login. This is really useful if you forgot which email you used, need to recover your account, or just want to confirm your account details before making changes. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open a browser on your phone or computer and go to epicgames.com. You can use any modern browser for this, and you don't need to do it directly on the Switch itself. Once the Epic Games website loads, look for the sign in button, click it, and then choose the Nintendo icon. This is important because you want to log in with the same Nintendo account that is connected to your Switch. After selecting Nintendo, follow the sign-in prompts and enter your Nintendo Network ID or Nintendo login details if asked. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Epic Games account area. Now look at the top right corner of the page and click your profile name or account icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Account. This opens your Epic Games account settings, where you can view important information tied to your profile. On the account page, look for the Account Information section. This is where Epic Games displays the email address associated with your account. In many cases, for security reasons, Epic will show the email in a partially hidden format, like a ***** at email.com, instead of revealing the full address. Even if it's masked, this is still enough to help you identify which email is linked to your account. If you're trying to recover access, this can be a huge help when matching the account to an inbox you already use. If you don't see the information right away, make sure you're signed into the correct Nintendo account and not a different Epic Games profile. It's also a good idea to double check that you open the official Epic Games website and not a third-party site. Once you've confirmed the email, you can use that information for account recovery, password resets, or just keeping your gaming accounts organized. And that's it. Now you know how to see your Epic Games email on Nintendo Switch by checking your Epic Games account through the Nintendo sign-in method. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy gaming guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.